Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gayatri Tawar. Today I am presenting my paper and my paper topic is Relief to the Indian economy struggling with the corona pandemic. Introduction. A coronavirus is a virus that is found in animal and rarely can be transmitted from animal to human and then spread person to person. Due to this, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan scheme, under which the government would provide a relief package of rates 1.7 trillion to the underprivileged super and migrant workers affected by a lockdown amid the COVID-19 crisis. On March 28, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a lockdown for the entire country, a good commendable step by the government to protect people from getting infected with corona. Material and method of this study. The basis of this research paper is the relief package, PM CARES Fund and lockdown. This study is based on secondary data which is collected from different websites, books, journal, research articles and newspaper, etc. Discussion of this study. Prime Minister Garib Kalyan scheme to have two parts. First is food security. 800 million poor people in the country to get 5 kg of rice wheat per month free of cost. And second is cash transfer. In this scheme, farmer, Manregas, poor widows, aged and Divyang Ujjwala scheme, free loan for women in self group and medical testing and providing health care services for corona. PM CARES Fund. Name of 5 donor to PM CARES Fund. First is JSW, 100 crore rupees, D-Mart 100 crore rupees, Aditya Birla Group 100 crore rupees, Reliance Group 500 crore rupees and Tata Industries 1500 crore rupees. Results of this study. Due to coronavirus from the government's relief package, there will be no starvation in the lockdown. And second is the money from the PM CARES Fund will be used only to fight the corona, which is a huge economic relief. Conclusion of this study. By the present study, we conclude that commendable steps have been taken by the government, like nationwide lockdown, relief package, Prime Minister CARES Fund with the financial relief in this crisis. Thank you.